Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browse the YouTube channel. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process. It's pretty simple what you can do in order to view someone's posts on Instagram. I also want to mention I've seen other videos on YouTube and they're guiding you to simply download an app. I think what it's called. I think it's called Instagram Plus Plus Plus. If I'm not making a mistake. But yeah, I don't recommend to install that type of app because first of all you have to add your credentials like your password in the app, and it's a third party app, so I don't recommend. And on top of that, Instagram can even ban you. So what I do recommend actually is to follow my video. It's very simple process. It's not any something that's super, it's very new. It's a very simple strategy, guys, so that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So I hope this strategy will help you to so you can view someone's post. So now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So just hold your profile. Here you have your profile. Just hold on to that for a couple of seconds, and now here you have the option to create a new account. So just tap on add more. You have to create a new account and here add your username. How
to browser official.
Now just tap on next. Here you put your password. Now just here tap on add phone or email. Okay, I will go with email, and here what you need to do is to go to, or you need to install this app Temp Mail. Go Play Store and right here Temp Mail, and now please install this app Temp Mail temporary email. And now open this app, and what you want to do is to tap on change, so you can change this email or you can use this email. Now just copy the email, go back to your Instagram account, paste this link, tap on next, and you receive a code. So go back to the app, go to inbox, and we just received here the code. Copy this code, copy and paste this code right here, tap on next. It's very easy, guys, the process. And enter a random username. Very easy to create a brand new Instagram account. Now tap on skip photo, skip. And now that's very important, guys. Try to make
this account more credible, like in add the profile picture, some pictures. Profile picture, upload post, okay, follow for someone, so make more credible, and then just follow that person that you are looking for. Okay, follow that account and then wait. And wait for that person to accept your request. And that's all you need to do. Just make the account more credible, okay? That's very important. If you want that person to accept your request, you really have to do that. So that's gonna do it, guys. I hope this video will help you. I hope this video will help you will solve this problem and be that person accepted, and I hope everything's gonna be alright. So guys, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Like this video and subscribe for more how to videos. See you in the next video. Take care.